Fondue. The word alone suggests sophistication.
In reality, it's a vat of melted cheese bubbling away while relatives debate who's the good child. It was always me. We start with cheese. More cheese than anyone should consume. Stir it with wine because if the holidays require anything, it's dairy mixed with alcohol.
And here's where things get interesting. Tomatador. Paprika, tomato, garlic. It's the seasoning that says, yes, my family is exhausting, but at least the food is good.
With Tomatador, fondue isn't just melted cheese. It's melted cheese with a purpose. It's warmth in a pot. It's bubbling distraction from spirited debates.
It won't fix your family, but Tomatador fondue will at least give them something to put in their mouths.
Besides opinions.